Welcome to our latest tutorial, where we'll guide you through finding all your collaborations by date on Facebook using your PC. This process is straightforward and will help you organize your interactions more efficiently. First, open Facebook on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Click on Activity Log from the options provided. The activity log is a comprehensive record of all your Facebook activities, including posts, comments, and more. Under your Facebook activity, click on Posts. This section lists all the posts you've made or been involved in. Now, to find collaborations, click on Collaborations. This will filter your posts to show only those where you've worked with others. To organize these collaborations by date, click on Date at the top of the page. You'll see a calendar or date range selection tool appear. Choose the specific period you're interested in viewing. This could be a particular month, year, or even a custom range. Once you've selected your desired date range, click Save Changes. Facebook will now display all your collaborations within the chosen time frame. This feature is especially useful for tracking your past projects or revisiting successful collaborations. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and review all your collaborations on Facebook, sorted by date. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your interactions and reflect on past projects. Whether you're a professional looking to track your work history or simply someone who wants to reminisce about past collaborations, this feature is incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in navigating Facebook's collaboration features. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below.